Hi, my name's Katharine and today I'm going to show you how to paint these designs on wrapping paper. To create your hand painted wrapping paper, you'll need toilet roll tubes, a paint palette or plate, red, black, green and yellow paint and a paintbrush, and some packing paper. The first thing you're going to do is flatten out your parcel paper. If you don't have any at home to recycle, you can buy a roll of it online. Using black paint and a paintbrush, you're going to paint long swirly line around your paper. Next, you're going to cut your toilet rolls in half and flatten them. Use the end of the toilet roll as a stamp and stamp each colour paint along the swirly line. To finish off your design, you're going to paint lines around the light bulbs using the black paint to create the illusion of light rays. So you're going to cut your toilet roll in half and flatten it. The end of the roll will become your stamp. So you're going to dip your stamp in the red paint and create a red flower by stamping 5 shapes side by side in a circle. You can add red dots and swirls with a paintbrush and red paint to finish your design off, and you can also add detail to the flower. So first you're going to cut a fringe into the end of your toilet roll and make sure to bend the fringes outward. Next, you're going to dip the fringe end of the toilet roll into the green paint. When you stamp this onto the parcel paper, hold down the stamp and spin it in a circle, and this will create the wreath shape. Using red paint and your paintbrush, add berries and a ribbon to your wreath. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed painting your own Christmas wrapping paper.